Hey there, welcome to Archi Tools. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful but ignored features in Revit, which is the filters. If you have ever wanted to highlight specific elements and control visibility smartly, creating clean plan and professional drawings, filters will change the way you work. Filters in Revit lets you to control visibility and graphics based on rules. Instead of tuning categories on and off, you can target elements of a particular category using the parameters like wall types, fire rating, comment parameters, phases, materials, and more. Think of filters as Revit's way of saying, show me only the elements that match these conditions. So let's get started. Let's take a few examples to see how this works. In the walls category, I want to differentiate a particular wall, which is this one, based on the fire rating. And in order to differentiate it in the plan, I have to provide it in a separate color. So in the visibility graphics, since I have provided a template, for walls, we have shown a cut pattern of solid fill with gray color. In order to differentiate this, I have to select this wall and go into the edit type. If you drop down this part, you will find a fire rating mentioned. I will provide my fire rating required and press on OK. Again, I'll go to my template and in the filters option, I'll go to add. Go to edit new. In the bullet portion, you will find a new option is there. You name that filter, fire rated walls. Now I have to define rules, but firstly I have to select the category in which I have to apply the filter. The category is in the walls, so I'll search for the walls and select it. Before going further, just check over here that no other type is selected by checking on this hide unchecked categories. Now we'll apply the filter rules. So and or both options is applicable for us. We can use and also, and go into the options of the wall. If I drag it down, I will find fire rating and I'll write equals to whatever comment I have provided. I have written one HR there, so that's why I am writing 1R and press on OK. So we have made a filter, but it's still not added into the template. In order to add that, we have to go into add, and here we can find the fire rated walls filter which we have made just now. Press on OK. So fire rated walls filter category has been made. Now we can provide a separate color which will be dedicated to that type of wall only. So I'll select a pattern of solid fill and provide a solid fill color of red color. Make sure the visibility is ticked in order to show the category which you have selected in the filters and press on OK. Now I'll check if it's working. So yes, this is working. Similarly, if I want to show a particular furniture in a separate visibility, like I want to highlight this table part in whatever color suits me. So I can select this furniture and go into the identity data. Here I will choose my comments option and write table. Now again I'll go to my view template and go to my filters, add, edit new, and create a new filter. I have to select the category that was in furniture. So I have to select furniture, checking if we haven't selected anything else, and apply the filter into the furniture. So we have provided a comment. So I'll choose comments equals and write the comment which we have added and press on OK. Now I have to add this filter. Again, I'll go to add and check the filter which we have just made. This is a table. Now I can adjust that table visibility from here now. I press on OK. Just checking if this filter is working or not. This isn't working. So we have made some error from our side. I'll be checking my template again. This is correct. I'll go to my template again. Since this is not cutting, so I have to provide my pattern over here, not what we have done otherwise. You can remove the patterns from here. It doesn't matter. Now I'll again check whether it's working or not. Yes, the filter is working. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Revit tips. Let me know in the comment box if you have any query regarding the filters in Revit. Thanks for watching. This is Archi Tools, and I'll see you in the next video.